A Valley native breaking the mold. She is the first ever Hispanic female president-elect of the Texas Medical Association. Here's Channel 5's Tanvi Verma.
Dr. Linda Villarreal is used to breaking glass ceilings. She saw firsthand what it was like being one of the only girls in her medical classes.
Physicians and even pharmacists was a man's career.
She was a pharmacist for 10 years before she mustered the courage to start the long process of becoming a doctor. It was always her dream, but her marriage was in the way, something she says many women can relate to.
He preferred that I did not follow that career. And considering my marriage and my potential motherhood, I didn't really mind.
But once their marriage ended and she moved back to the Valley, she knew she couldn't let her dream go, studying countless hours and sacrificing many years, alongside raising 2 boys.
When I went back to medical school, I did have 2 boys. One was 18 and one was 13.
After years of hard work and sleepless nights, she made it to the finish line, only to be hit with another obstacle.
But unfortunately, 2 weeks after I received my medical license, my mother, who was my angel, my supporter, my pusher, get into there and do things, was killed in an automobile accident.
Her mom was the only other female in her family, raising her with the belief that she was just as capable as her brothers. After taking some time off, Villarreal decided to become her own boss and make her mother proud.
I ended up buying a building owned by a previous physician that was empty pretty much, and started my practice in 1989.
And for 20 years, she's been focused on giving back as an active member of the Texas Medical Association, being elected as president this year.
Colleagues all along the border in the Rio Grande Valley know that I am here to represent their needs.
Her main concern is advocating for the needs of Latinos in the Valley, who she says suffer from healthcare inequities. She says one of her biggest priorities will be Medicaid expansion.
60% of unemployed individuals without insurance. We have that terrible crown of being the last state in the union to have the highest number of uninsured, but now it's gotten worse.
She also says it will be to make sure doctors have plenty of PPE. Dr. Villarreal officially becomes president when her term starts, May 2021. Tanvi Verma, Channel 5 News at 6.